How to replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can replay the disappearing or the view once photo messages. First thing you have to do is head over to Instagram. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to have to head over to the chat where you've got the view once photos, and from here what you want to do next is tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now from your profile, head over to settings at the top right and then account center. Once your account center is open, tap on your info and permissions. Click on download your information. Now what you're going to have to do is request a download for your info. Select your Instagram account, tap on next. Now you're going to have to select some of your information because you don't want all of it to be downloaded. And now from here, you're simply going to have to select messages because all of those pictures will also be saved on your messages. Tap on next, tap on download to device, and then from here, you can select a date range. So let's say if it was last week, select it, tap on save, and then create files. Now once your request goes through and once your information is ready to be downloaded, you can find the download button here instead of cancel, and you could easily view the view once images on this. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.